Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will learn zamil air condition configuration. Zamil air condition configuration. In this air condition, we receive two cables. This is alarm cable and this is power cable. 48 voltage power cable, positive, negative, ground, and this is alarm cable. How can we configure this and how can we change temperature, start temperature and stop temperature and high temperature alarm? It's M mean exit, S mean enter, up and down. 5 to 6 seconds, press this button, then we can start. Press this button, F01. We will learn only major points. We need only 3 points. One is high temperature alarm active, and second start cooling system and stop cooling system. So we will go to F29. F29 it's mean high alarm temperature, high temperature alarm. S it's 55 centigrade. You can change as per your design. If you need more, you press 57 centi, then your temperature will increase, or high temperature alarm is active. Press. Now Zamal ask me what is password. Password is 1, enter, 1, enter, 1 and enter, 1 and enter. It's 57. Okay, go to backs. Now we will go to 42. 42. It's 42 cooling start system. Enter. Your compressor will start when your configuration is 25 degree. If you need 20, you can decrease. Check please. 20. Or if you want to start your compressor 20.5 centigrade, then press enter. It's end. Okay, now you will go to 43 is cooling stop. 43 enter. When your temperature will decrease 2.5, your compressor will shut down. You want to increase or up, so go to this one. It's only 7.5, then enter. It's complete. Okay, 44 no need. We 44 another we don't need. Only 2 or 3 is major important points for this zamil air condition, or any other company need, as for example STC or Tawal need only this one: start cooling system and stop cooling system. So you can change only these 2 points. Thank you.